What's up guys, it's Yaya, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get assets from a Flash game to Unity. So the first thing that you need is the actual Flash game, and I'm going to be using Code Samurai for this example because it's a game that I used to play when I was a kid. I'm not going to play it right now. It's very playable, but it's very loud, so I don't want to have to edit that out, so I'm too lazy for that. So yeah, you need a game, and the second thing you need is a decompiler. A decompiler basically takes this and changes it to a format that we can read, and then we can decompile it to other formats, and we can edit it, and we can do a lot of stuff with a decompiler. And there's a lot that you can find online, but for this tutorial I'm going to be using this one. I just prefer this one more because it's just my favorite. So let's keep that out of the equation today. And the third thing that you finally need is actually Unity, and that's it. That's all you need. So the first step is take this and just drag it into the decompiler and just wait a couple seconds and it's already loaded for you. You can see a lot of folders. You can just look around. There's sounds. I'm not gonna play it because it's too loud. There's buttons, there's fonts, there's frames, and then of course there's the scripts. If you want to edit the game, the Flash game itself, you can just edit the scripts from here. You can just edit it here, and then after you finish editing, save it here and then press save, and the Flash game is just gonna work on your new script. It's a very good decompiler. That's why I like it. You can do editing with that, doing a lot of work. It's easy. Before this tutorial, we're gonna stick to the sprites or the images if you want, but let's go to the sprites and then find something that we want to use. There's a lot of stuff that you can find. Let's find something that we like. Okay, let's say I want to use this sword as a weapon in my own game, or let's say I want to remake this game in Unity. I mean, you can of course select any one. Let's say select the first one, press shift, and then select the last one, and you can export them all together from here. But for this tutorial I'm just gonna do one, just because. Okay, let's use the sword. Okay, so basically you do export selection and then choose the type of picture. Choose PNG because it supports this transparency in the background. And then this is the zoom. As you know, or you don't know, Flash games use vector graphics, which means no matter how much you zoom in, it doesn't matter. It's going to be high quality. It doesn't show pixels. It's not pixelated. So choosing a low zoom value, this is 300 is not the default. Choosing a low zoom value is going to make your PNG output very pixelated and not good. So choose larger zoom value. Let's say 500 for this one, or actually 400 is enough, I think. And then if you just press OK and then choose desktop, okay. So the larger the zoom, the higher quality is going to be. And then you can find this here. We can delete that. We don't need it anymore. Okay. Here's the picture. Now it's a PNG. This is completely usable. As you can see, it's big, of course, because we chose 400. But you can make it small to the game for your convenience. I don't know. Okay, so open up Unity. Create a new project, 2D, whatever, create. Let's just wait. Okay, once Unity is open, you can just drag this in the Explorer, and you can make adjustments here. And this is pretty, it depends on what you want. For example, I don't want no compression, no filter, and you can just drag into the game, make it a little bit smaller, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use it in a game right now. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you know someone that needs this, or if someone want to remake a Flash game because Flash is going away soon, you can of course use this tutorial to help you. And if you want to go an extra step, you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. If you can't do that, that's completely okay. Subscribing is so enough for me. I'll take subscribing over Patreon any day. But if you can support me on Patreon, that'll be very appreciated. And yeah, leave comment on any questions that you have, any video requests, and I'll try to do them. Thank you.